Most people still analyze stocks by exporting data, cleaning it manually, and jumping between way too many tools. In this video, I'll show you how to ask for stock market data in plain language and analyze it right in a spreadsheet with AI. Getting stock market data into a spreadsheet is usually the best way to analyze it, but getting it there is no easy task. And once you even have your data in the spreadsheet, you often need to understand complex Python to even analyze it. However, there is a better way. This tool is called Quadratic, and it is an AI spreadsheet that can write code and pull in stock market data and analyze it with very basic prompts, so let me show you how to get started. To get started, all you need to do is come to this page, which is linked at the top of the description of this video, and click on Open Quadratic. Once you're into Quadratic, this is what it looks like. You have the AI chat over here to the left where you can tell Quadratic to do whatever you want it to do. And then here on the right is your spreadsheet, which works basically the same as any other spreadsheet you've used in the past. To start out, I'm just going to tell Quadratic to pull in the last 6 months of stock data for Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. And as Quadratic is running, it is telling you everything that it is doing over here in the chat, including writing Python code. So you do not need to know Python code to analyze your data. Quadratic will write it for you. And that easily, it's pulled in all of this stock data for Apple. Over here, we have the last 6 months of Nvidia stock data. And then finally, we have Microsoft right here. Next, I'm going to tell it to create a chart comparing the last 6 months of Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, and I'm asking it which stock is leading. And again, one of the cool things about Quadratic is it isn't just working in the background and you have to trust how it's thinking and how it's working. It is telling you everything that it is doing right here in the chat, including the Python code that it's writing. And just like that, we have this clean chart comparing Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft performance over the last 6 months. And then over here in the chat, it's telling us that Nvidia is leading along with several other observations. Now for one final example, I'm just going to tell it to pull Nvidia revenue for the last 5 quarters and summarize the trend. And here we go, these are the last 5 quarters of Nvidia revenue, and then over here in the chat, it is telling us that the trend is unmistakable, massive accelerating growth, and we could even prompt it further if we wanted any additional insights. And what we did is just scratching the surface of what Quadratic is capable of. You can use it like we just showed to pull in stock data, pull in revenue data, create visualizations, write complex Python code to build analyses. You can even ask it to create a company sentiment analysis. Whether you're tracking a personal portfolio, researching companies before making an investment decision, or analyzing technical setups, Quadratic gives you a faster way to work with market data. Beginners can turn a list of tickers into a reusable dashboard, fundamental investors can review financials and company news in context, and technical traders can analyze indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands directly in the spreadsheet. Additionally, you don't have to jump between 5 different tabs from your data, to your spreadsheet, to your Python, to your visualization tool. All of it is contained within Quadratic, which saves so much headache. You can get started by going to the link at the top of the description of this video, or you can visit quadratic.ai and start playing around and seeing what you're capable of with the help of Quadratic.